Yo, what is up, y'all? It is Mateo Trades back again with another backtesting 1 week a day and selling profitable series. Um, I'm recording this like an I think like 2 hours or an hour after the last one. I just had to give myself a little mental reset. Just wanted to read a little bit and yeah, just do. I did like a little non-sleep deep rest and drank a coffee, so I should be a bit more locked in for this session. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. Win rate's pretty low compared to before, just because of that one crash out week. It wasn't even a crash out week, just pretty unlucky. Still haven't gone over it yet. I'm still going over. I think the next week I need to go over this one here, so I'll probably go over these two tonight, and then I'll go over this one tomorrow. Maybe even before my morning session. I'll see. Depends on when I go to sleep tonight, but yeah. So this was last week. Not a great week, I'll say that. Definitely could have done a little bit better. But, you know, at least we were still positive. Um, Drawn liquidity was overall pretty good, I would say. It was a little bit of a harder week for sure. Definitely needed to rely on more conditions last week. But, yeah, let's just get straight into it. Enough yapping for now. Yeah. Okay. What day is this, by the way? Monday the 11th. Alright. Alright. Nice. I really like this. Weekly is clearly rejecting these P arrays here. We have this order block. I might be moving a little bit slower just because I'm like my brain is like super present right now. But yeah, so yeah, delivering off the fair value gap and order block. Just tapped into this monthly. So ERL back to IRL, could see back to ERL. Now we also have a monthly open or weekly open low into the discounted fair value gap. And looks like we pulled back into this. I guess that would be the breaker. That's also kind of a breaker. So yeah, could definitely see higher here. We do have this daily intermediate term high above. And we have this 4 hour right here. Unfilled 4 hour right there. Not bad. Could see a pullback to that, but we are still just in bearish order flow. And oh wait, SMT. Okay, well, SMT at that high. SMT at the high, still showing bearish order flow. Tapped into this hourly. Really don't, or tapped into 4 hour actually. Really don't see much of a reason to continue trading lower. I low-key do really like these highs. Even though we have an SMT, I think the SMT kind of did its job. However, we still are holding bearish. So if we are going to be bullish, I would need to see some, I guess like a run on this 30-minute. Run through that, pull back, longs. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Yeah, I think I should also be careful because no news Monday. But yeah, honestly, like overall, leaning more bullish today, just because we tapped into the monthly. Oh wait, tapped into the weekly BC at EQ, and we should see higher if we're gonna be bullish. But we are still in bearish order flow. But we are still in bearish order flow, so I'd need to see some hard time frame reaction before just longing. So yeah, a little bit more risk off today. Just probably gonna wait for some sort of 5-minute cont. Preferably we could run through this 30-minute and then get the cont. Like if open could rip, and then caught. That would be pretty sick. Yeah, we're not opening an hour early or anything. Okay. Do all stack session highs. And then what would I need to see in order to continue being bearish? I think if we just like hard displace through this low toward these lows, these like stacked, these stacked lows down here, I think we could maybe still be bullish or bearish. If we just rip through the 4 hour to the left, toward the stacked sell side below, could see comps to that, that wouldn't be bad. Okay, I think I'll give this a 3. Yeah, probably a 3. Just nothing super clear off open. Even though this does look like a super clean, like PDI for shorts, the higher time frame narrative just doesn't really align. So yeah, just gonna be waiting for a little bit more structure here. This doesn't look bad. My only issue is that, I mean, I guess we did trade into that. Do we have TM? Let's see. We don't. Holy, a little ways away until we can get true manipulation here. Do we tap into like a 15-minute? We did, but that's also the 4 hours, so it's like, okay, it's not really, yeah, it's not really a big deal. Yeah, I'm just gonna continue waiting. If we can get displacement above this and then close, that would be good. Okay, not a great 4 hour close if I'm looking to be bullish here. Yeah, just pulled back into that 30 minutes, kind of respecting right now. Could open a 5-minute and possibly see shorts. I don't know. Maybe, actually not. I don't really like shorts. Maybe just continue waiting and see if we can get displacement above that, because it's not really anything that I could see right now. Okay. What is this? I don't know. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really like this too much. We're not really getting anything super clean, just delivering out of that. Yeah, I feel like any short here wouldn't have been good, because this is just super high resistance. There's not really any narrative behind it. And if anything, I don't know, I guess if you took anything later on, like this, I don't know, 3-minute, that didn't really inverse. Bad RR, LRL above. Nothing really clean here. Yeah, just bit of a weird day. But I don't know, I feel like the last couple weeks have been a bit weird. Weird day today. Just kept pushing lower, even though it didn't really make sense and nothing was really offered. Just generated lots of liquidity as we push lower. Okay, I think my analysis was pretty good today though. Best to be risk off in scenarios that we don't really understand, so yeah. Okay, now this is a bit cleaner. Alright, I like that a lot. Okay, so clear weekly open low. Daily did inverse lower, which is a bit weird, but I don't really mind it, I guess. 4 hour took out that low. We're now reacting, ripping higher. We have these session highs right up here, so I do think that we can probably see a pullback to that. How's the hourly look? We do have an SMT at this hourly sell side. I do really like that, and that London session lows really clean. Took out Asia session lows as well. Really good market structure shift. I think this is CPI, no? Or, yeah, CPI, okay. CPI moves usually continue. So could see maybe a pullback to, I don't know, CE of this range, something like that. Or EQ of this range. And then longs off that back up to all of these highs above. We also have previous day's highs just up here. And, I mean, yeah. Looks pretty clear for longs, I would say. So, definitely bullish here. High time frame narrative is bullish. Tapped into the weekly and then 1 hour market structure shift. And we're clearly pushing hard toward the toward the previous day's session highs and 4-hour intermediate term high. Then also CPI ripped higher. CPI ripped higher, and then yeah, so I could expect this move to continue because it's the CPI usually continues the move. Alright, and yeah, Monday just gave super strong manipulation, so I think it would make a lot of sense to see this continue pushing. Maybe if we can open low, tap into EQ or this unfilled 5-minute right here, I'd have a lot more confidence. Round liquidity is going to be 4-hour and midterm high. I'm actually pretty confident in this though. I guess, what would be my condition? We do have a 30-minute right here. That's pretty clean. My condition would probably be, I guess, a 30-minute. Yeah, I guess a 30-minute. I don't know. I don't really have a condition. Like if I see something that's obviously bearish, then I'll consider shorting to that. Oh, we do have data lows. Actually, never mind. If we displace through EQ right here, then I could see data lows. So if we displace through EQ, then I could see data lows. And I guess my high time frame condition would probably be like, we don't have a 4-hour, right? Oh, we might. Okay, if we push through that, where's the 4-hour? 4-hour would be right here. Yeah. And I guess 4-hour as well. Strength of draw. I would give this a 3.5. I would say it's not really a 4. I just don't really like that this daily inverse lower. It doesn't matter that much because like we pull back into the weekly, pull back into the weekly open low, and yeah, just we have some good buy side right here with this intermediate term high. We have an unfilled 4-hour stacked highs right here, so that's pretty clean. We also have a 1-hour market structure shift, good displacement, good pullback before 9:30 open, and some clean highs right here. So yeah, I do quite like longs. But yeah, let's see how we open. Okay, really nice open. Okay, really good inversion. Do we have a 5-minute unfilled? We don't. We do have a 3-minute. Ooh, 3-minute just open. That's not great. 2-minute looks pretty clean. I really don't like this 3-minute. Yeah, I feel like that 3-minute's not great. Yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah, it'd probably be like not really break even yet. Okay, that's break even. Yeah. Is that the 5-minute? Oh, we did make a really nice 5-minute though. If we get a soup here. Ah, bro, that would have been good. I mean, could take a 5-minute IFVG here. I think we have, yeah, 15 minutes opening up, but it's opening up right there, so that's not great. Let's see how we close here. Okay, we do have that 5-minute inversion. We also have the 15-minute. Okay, I would be willing to take a caught long here. If we get a pullback, I don't know if we will. Okay, nice 10M open. We do have an SMT at this high. I don't really mind though because my draw is above that, and we did not take out my draw. We do have an unfilled hourly down here. Don't think that's gonna get hit. We just fully ripped through this 15-minute. If this 5-minute respects, then yeah, I'm just willing to long off that, to be honest. Fuzz, bro. Dang, that sucks. Yeah, well. Ooh. Actually, this looks really good. This looks really good, bro. Oh. Ooh. Yo, this looks clean, bro. Okay, we do have this SMT. It doesn't really look like we're respecting it too much, though. Yeah, so this high is going to be the 5-minute. Yeah, I think this is a really good trade. We do have an SMT at this buy side here, but we pull back into this 15-minute. 15-minute open low, 10 a.m. open low. Good stacked PO3s. Super strong rejection out of EQ of this range. CPI. The CPI move looks like it's holding pretty well. And we do have some good buy side right here. Previously this high looks pretty good. I just really like these stacked session highs. And just overall makes perfect sense to be bullish here. Generated some relative equal highs. And yeah, I mean, SMT, we have like a double SMT internally. SMT here and then SMT right here. We also just souped out this 50% right there. And yeah, tapped into the 15-minute BISI. Do we have, I guess we have like a BPR, no other PDAs really. I guess we have this order block as well. So yeah, really clean. I think I'm going to take this. Super clean Mac presented as we rejected the CPI for value gap and then now displacing toward my DOL, but edged internal high and made an SMT, and then yeah, made an SMT at this internal high, but also made relative equal highs, and then pulled back to the 15-minute BISI and generated buy side liquidity above, then also stacked PO3s with 10 a.m. open low high close and 10:15 open low high close, and oh, my chest is hurting a bit. Ooh, maybe I had too much coffee. And double SMT, internal SMTs, and super clean 1-minute IFVG. Also souped hold up, EQ. And yeah, I mean, bro, this looks really good. Let me just, I give this a 4. I wouldn't say 4.5. The reason I won't say 4.5 is because we had the, oh, low key, this is kind of a 4.5. Just such clean displacement on the 4 hour. These draws are way too obvious to leave. Yeah, I mean, yeah, We do have this hourly unfilled below, but it's a breakaway gap, so I don't really mind. We're back into this 15-minute, into this OB, into EQ. Don't really have any reason to see lower. We have stacked PO3s, we have relative equal highs above, and it's a mech on top of that. Super clean. Really like the slanted buy side, and the SMT at this low, and then super clean inversion. This is pretty A plus, honestly. I'd be very surprised if this loses. No, honestly, there's no reason not to take this. I would size up, but I'm not like super confident right now, just because of the last few weeks of backtesting, and I think also just I haven't really been able to go to the gym because I went on a crazy walk and like my feet are kind of cooked, so I can't really walk right now. So I feel like because of that, I'm kind of just like amped up, and I'm like not really able to trade that well. But it might just be an excuse. I don't know. Yeah, so delivering from that weekly. I'm just gonna write daily though. It's fine. What else do we do? We soup that low. That's not really a soup. We are delivering from an hourly. Are we? Is it equal lows? I think that might be equal lows. We are delivering from an SMT right here. Okay, actually that's pretty good. SMT, no session rate though. I guess we're delivering from EQ of this range. Right there. So we are delivering from EQ. I don't think we have any like internal soup or anything. Nah. But okay, makes sense. We have 15-minute, we have internal SMT, we have an order block EQ. No 3. Do we have a 3 drive? I don't think so, right? Oh, low-key we do. It's a 3 drive SMT, but I've been counting those recently, so no session raid. We do have the internal soup. We don't have, wait, did I write order block? Yeah. Okay, let's see. 10 and 10-15 PO3s. We have a 1-minute IFAG that is discounted. Yes, sir. Okay. Bro, this is some crazy RR. Holy. I feel like there's not really much of a reason to take partials. Maybe I'll take partials at a 1-to-1. But if I do, I'm only going to take like half, because I am honestly really confident in this. 4.5. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Dang, bro. This is a crazy trade. Wow. What the flip? That's crazy. Okay. Loss 250. Not really sure why that lost. I feel like that was an amazing trade. Alright. Yeah. I don't know, maybe just stop rated? Do we have a 2-minute? No. We do have a 1-minute. Dang, I guess draw on liquidity was wrong. Wow. Okay. Huh. Looks like we wanted that hourly before ripping higher. I don't really see why though. Should I have anchored from here? Maybe that was a bad fib anchor. I guess this was equal lows. Yeah, honestly though, I still think that was good. I don't really see anything wrong with this. Yeah, I think that was a totally reasonable trade. Really good trade today and good deal. Just unlucky that we wanted to go for the 1 hour breakaway gap before ripping. Yeah, I think this was really good. Like, I could have waited for the 5 minute, but either way, I mean, like, after this, I would 100% expect the 5 minute to get hit. And yeah, I think this was a really good trade. Just not really sure. Not really sure where I feel. It's interesting though. Huh. Dang, bro. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know why that draw on liquidity didn't play out. That's fine. Yeah, I think that was good. Okay, let's just go over this again. Weekly still looks pretty bullish. We now opened lower. We're inside of the discounted weekly. We are ripping lower right now, and after this daily IFVG lower, could see back to this low. Maybe that's why we didn't end up trading higher yesterday. But either way, after that 4-hour inversion out of the weekly, like, there's no reason for me to expect that we would see lower, and we just weren't delivering from anything. So, but yeah, unfilled daily below. Looks like we're pretty bearish right now, like respecting bearish, disrespecting bullish. Yeah. This does look like a decent sell model. We are displacing below Asia lows and ripping through that. So I don't mind this. Good market structure shift. OB is holding. Good displacement lower. Unfilled hourly right there. And yeah, I could see the lower two previously low. Yeah, leaning more bearish today. Wow, bro. Leaning more bearish today toward yeah, just the internal low and the 4-hour and the daily unfilled. Toward internal low and daily unfilled, because yo, there's a cop car that's like bugging out outside. The heck? I don't know if y'all can hear that. Is my mic picking it up? Yeah, I think y'all can. That's really weird. I don't know. I never heard that before. But yeah, just overall leaning more bearish because, like, realistically, after this 4-hour inversion, we 100% should have ended up ripping. We're below CE of this, CE of the weekly, daily close, super strong bearish. And this just looks like a very obvious draw on liquidity. We also got a clear open high back up into CE or EQ of this range. Looks like a pretty bearish daily profile and just a bearish bearish model here. Yeah, I think it makes sense to see lower. Dang, this is all I have written. Leaning more bearish today toward daily intermittent low and daily unfilled. Weekly doesn't seem to be holding. because all moments are failing and are failing, and yeah, pull back into EQ on the 4 hour, and is that one? What is this on the 1 hour? 1 hour order block, 4 hour. I guess not really a 4 hour order block, mainly just like a 1 hour order block. Holding that, and looks like a 1 hour market maker sell model. Draw liquidity is gonna be, yeah, I guess previous day's low, or London session high. If condition is met, condition is gonna be the 1 hour SIBI, and yep, strength of draws. It's gonna be pretty confident in this, honestly. Kind of like this, so let's see how we open. If we can open higher into this, I could take some shorts off open. Pretty clean. I like this little stacked sell side right here. Ew, bro, what the heck? What are we doing? Bro, I don't know why the market's just so unpredictable right now. This is so weird. Bro, like, what? What is that inversion, bro? Holy. I guess this 15-minute can be my condition. I mean, we did just inverse that hourly. And we do have unsponsored London highs with equal highs, so I don't mind that. Yeah, I guess we'll just see how we react off this. We have some good stacked buy side right there, so let's see. Bro, okay, wait, okay, all right, bro, it's a 4-minute, man. Oh, that's so annoying. Just took like most of my targets. It's fine though. This is still pretty clean. We have good buy side right here. We have London session highs, stacked highs there. I think we have like 4 equal highs. Yeah, 4 equal highs at London session highs, so pretty strong draw on liquidity. We have 10 AM open low. That's good. Really good. Anything else? No, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, honestly, this looks really clean. I have pretty high conviction in this, so I'll take this. Do we have anything to limit? No, not really. I mean, I guess this breaker can be my stop loss. We really shouldn't wick below the breaker. Really strong displacement on the 4-minute. Time is aligned. Yeah, we don't have any reason to come. Like this inversion should hold, as well as the, what is this, like a 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute breaker. Wait 1 sec, my dog's barking. Okay, I think I should be good now. Okay, yeah, this looks good, so we'll take that. Condition met to be bullish, and bro, it's just what are we delivering from, bro? Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, the past 2 weeks, I'm actually so confused. 1 sec. Okay, wait, no, I think I'm good. Yeah, no, these past 2 weeks I've just been confused, bro. Like, what are we delivering from right now? Higher time frame wise. Oh, I guess the 4-hour rejection block. But what's this 4-hour rejecting? Like, we're not rejecting anything on the 4-hour, so it's not really a rejection block. I don't know, bro. It's just really, really weird. Like, I really don't know what's going on. I just know that internally this looks really clean. Hourly inversion, 15 minutes holding bullish, good displacement, good inversion, good highs just above this, and pretty clean draw on liquidity, so I'll give this a shot. Yeah, I would say all of this looks pretty clean. Oh, my dog's going crazy. Wait. Holy, okay. I mean, a little bit, but not, because this is bad. Just horrible losing streak. Hard time frame doesn't show too much. Doesn't seem like we're delivering from much, so it could be an issue. This might not be a good trade, but I low-key did just, I don't know, I might be influenced by this, so I don't want to, like, if I was going to take this trade, then I should just take it without, like, being influenced by that. I guess, like, wait 1 second, let me close my window. Alright, I guess we are actually not really delivering from anything here. Like, we have a soup of this low. Is that PPI? I thought that, isn't that what PPI, I don't know, whatever. Higher time frame, not really delivering from anything. Yeah, I don't know if I should take this, bro. This is kind of mid. Yeah, bro, like, what are we delivering from, bro? Like, we have this hourly IFEG, but what? Like, why would I? Bro, I'm not gonna take this. I'm about to just start being so selective, bro. Because this just doesn't make sense. Like, we're delivering from absolutely nothing. Faded. Alright, let's see if this ends up playing out. Okay. Yeah, it would have been stop rated. Draw liquidity played out. This just wasn't good. Like, we just weren't delivering from anything. I don't know. Like, it was just, it's weird, bro. This PA is so weird. Ended up getting stop rated and then delivering. Just couldn't take it. We were delivering from nothing. Nothing from an overall narrative was bearish. Yeah, I don't know, bro. It's like, what day is it? It's Wednesday. Okay. Alright, just gotta chill out. Overall narrative was bearish. Good fade today. But it was a stop trade, which means that yall was correct. I guess yall wasn't that bad, but it was just kind of pattern tradey. Yeah, I think it's just, bro, just play defensive in these conditions. It obviously isn't good. Like, bro, I don't even know. Like, the thing is, it doesn't even look that bad. Like, this looks fine. Like, on the 4 hour, it looks totally fine. The fact that I was profitable even during times like this, and like all of this before, but now when it's like delivering, I'm just getting cooked. I don't know what's going on. It's really weird. Yeah, it's just go to the next day, man. There's no reason for me to stick around today unless we show something super obvious. Yeah, there's just nothing. Next day. Bro, like what? I don't even know, bro. Tapped into the daily Sibby. Daily looks bearish. Weekly looks bullish. Fuzz, man. We also tapped into this. Okay, look. Overall, on the weekly, we're bullish. Reacted out of this rejection block. That's a weekly intermediate term low. Good rejection block tap. Delivering higher. Took out this previous day's high, and it's like a unfilled daily, and whatever. But pull back into IRL being this 4 hour, and now we have clean low resistance liquidity above, as well as non-filled hourly, unsponsored London session highs, and I really don't see any reason to trade lower. We're also holding this hourly, the hourly OB. Okay, we have 2 news events. Bro, imagine we just rip through all this. This is like the one day I actually have a really clean bias. Clear, bullish, delivering off RB with which is rejecting from weekly BISI and weekly open low, and now I want to see higher to weekly open price. Also pulled back to IRL after taking BRL, and then from there, or from here, I want to see back to London session high and LRL taken. Drawn liquidity. Hive day conditions, or either hive day or the unfold 4 hour. Just depends how we close here on the 4 hour. Conditions gonna be 4 hour BISI. Yeah. Okay, I'll give this a 4.5. Nah, 4. I don't think I'm confident enough for a 4.5, but I think this is really clean. If we can get a super that 5 minute, I would like longs. If we don't, then that would be annoying. Okay. 30-second potentially. Looks pretty good. Yes, bro. Finally a trade that I'm confident in. Oh my gosh. Oh, I accidentally went to the 3-second. Bro, finally, man. Oh my goodness. And this is like actually a really good trade. Do we have like a 5 minute intermediate term high to break even at? I guess this one here. Oh, let's go, bro. Super confident in this. Yeah, if we run this slow, then it's just done. So, pretty big TP here, but I'm really confident to these highs. Could hold it to that high. I feel like if we run up here, we're most likely to just run this high. I don't think that we're gonna give a retrace off that. Dude, I swear. Okay. I low-key thought that just ran London session highs for a second. This took out a lot of the LRL though, to be honest. Oh, I don't really care, bro. Like, look at these draws. This is so clear. I don't really think that matters too much. We did tap that hourly though. Dang, wait, that's actually really not good. Bro, why does ES have to mess it up, bro? We have 10 a.m. news. I mean, bro, like the thing is, ES still looks so clean to London highs. I think we can probably still just take this. And I'm just so confident in this drawn liquidity and all this LRL. Yeah, I don't know. I can't. Bro, I can't see this failing. This is so clean, bro. Okay, wait. Let me think, bro. SMT inside of the hourly, though? What does my model say if we have an SMT inside of an hourly? Like this? Oh, shit. Like that? I mean, bro, like realistically, I don't think it matters. Because if this was an hourly intermediate term high, and we had to tap into, and we souped that high on, or if we tap that high on ES, I wouldn't really care. Because we have this. So why should I care if it's a unfilled fair value gap? Yeah, it's still super obvious to this high. I'm just gonna be, I was gonna size up on this, but because of that, I won't. But I still think this is really clean. Like, I don't see any reason not. Like, I think this is super valid. Tapped 5-minute BISI, which was the internal condition, and we have clean LRL above and 30-second IFG, good. SMT below. We have an SMT above, but it isn't with my DOL, so I don't really care. And I think this is super obvious long. I go to 4.5. Yeah. The SMT just shouldn't matter. I mean, everything here checks out. No. The SMT is a bit annoying, but DOL is super clear even on ES. So it's probably just lag. Oh, and also I'm probably gonna have to watch out for SMTs because I'm gonna have to close this at these highs, assuming we don't get stopped out. What is this, Friday? Thursday? Thursday, okay. Thursday, bullish. We are delivering from a 4-hour, which is delivering from a rejection block, daily fair value gap, and no SMTs, none of that. I think that's it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah. Internally we have sponsored 5-minute. We have an internal SMT. Do we have a breaker? We have kind of, not really. Yeah, it's the 1-minute breaker. I'll count it. Breaker order block. Maybe on the 15-minute. Yeah. 15-minute OB and CIST. It's pretty good. We have OTE of this range as well. It's pretty clean. Or is that OT? It's not. Okay, it's C. It's EQ though. Good internal soup. And I don't think we have a rejection block. Yeah, no. Yeah, but really good trade. We have 930 Judas, 30-second inversion, slightly premiums. Oh, what the heck? And then this is, I'll give it a 4? Did I say 4? Oh yeah, 4.5. Okay. Let's see. Bro. What the fuzz? Oh, 10 a.m. news, I guess. Yeah. Traded back to the discounted 4 hour, I think. Okay. Yeah, this is not good for my psych, bro. Took a loss. Loss. I guess. Maybe the SMT was valid and we wanted to trade back to the unfilled 4 hour at EQ. Maybe that, yeah, I guess maybe that made sense. Because we didn't have this unfilled 4 hours, only the premiumed one. So then maybe this SMT was put in just to run to that. Yeah, I guess. Alright. 10 a.m. news, just gonna wait till that. Alright, yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to trade this, bro. Holy crap, we made it. Wait, bro, 1 sec. This candle, no. Okay, never mind. Yeah, it would have been, no, still would have gotten stop rated. Yeah, okay, whatever. Oh wait, did I journal that here? No, I didn't, okay. Okay. Yeah, sorry for being super quiet. I'm just like low-key so pissed off, bro. Like I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong. This is insane. Yeah, and now the session is just chopped. Okay. Holy crap, man. Super chopped session. Pretty surprised was that this trade and yall failed. Thought it was pretty clean, but just got cooked. Okay. Daily. Bro, holy crap, man. What the fuzz, bro? It's actually pissing me off, bro. What is this daily chart? How do we tap into the weekly? And then we reject once, ends up holding, trading lower, trades back down into it, respects, bro, and then there's just no entries. And then I try to take shorts, and then bullish conditions get met. Like, what are we doing, bro? This is actually so annoying, bro. Fuzz. Bro, and then we take the one draw on liquidity that I can. Okay, I guess I have this one. Whatever. Unfilled, below, obvious, bearish, Obvious bearish order flow. And we're hella discounted. That's great. Yo, where? What the fuzz? Bro, where are we? Why is there no Friday? Maybe it's a bank holiday. Whatever, bro. It's just some dumb... I don't know, bro. This is so stupid. I don't even know. Alright. Yes, let's see. Great. 57% win rate. We're down on the month. We have 1 win. That was like a half win. 3 break-evens and 2 losses. So, yeah, this is cooked. I'm gonna take a break for maybe a day or two. Try to figure out what I'm doing wrong. Try to just like enjoy my life or something. I don't know. Do something that doesn't involve trading and just like come back when I'm mentally prepared. I don't know. I'm still gonna be live trading so long as I can actually like think straight. Yeah, I don't really know what's going on. But yeah, I'm still gonna. I have a few videos that I have. Actually, I guess when y'all see this, I'll probably still be uploading daily because I'll probably be back from my break because I have like 3 days or maybe 4 that I haven't posted yet. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope y'all learned something from this, and I hope I can come back to this and learn something from this. But yeah, till next time, I'll see y'all.